Hi, I am Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hi there, this is Jessica and welcome to my channel. Today, I will take you on a tour of one of the most picturesque beaches in Brazil, Praia do Cacupé. I'm sure you are going to love it, so don't forget to click the like button and leave your thoughts in the comments. So, here we are at the beach. To plan your perfect beach vacation in Brazil, you need to know some important tips. First, grab some sunscreen and sunglasses. Everybody loves feeling the sun's rays on their skin, but you want to make sure you are fully protected from the sun's harmful UV rays to avoid sunburn. Second, bring something comfy to relax in. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on this chance to relax and unwind. From colorful beach umbrellas to comfy camping chairs that you can place right by the shore, pick something that you can relax in for hours. Third, explore the local wildlife. Bring your snorkeling gear and explore the diverse aquatic life in this part of Brazil. From playful seahorses to beautiful turtles, you'll definitely be delighted with the sights that you'll see. Fourth, don't forget to try some of the beach's delicious foods and drinks. From authentic Brazilian moqueca to an iconic caipirinha, you'll have your fill of amazing food and drinks to keep you refreshed during your holiday. I'm sure you'll love trying to them. So, hopefully this video has given you some ideas on how to plan the perfect beach holiday in Brazil. Have fun! Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and see you next time. Take care.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.